What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video, another vlog. Gonna start trying to make more content for you guys, start posting more on YouTube. I know I've been slacking, I'm sorry. Don't mind these ugly pimples. I'm breaking out like crazy. Probably a lot of stress, I don't know. But yeah, we got a pretty cool video today. Hopefully I can make this video happen. As you guys know, we wrapped the GTR recently. I haven't driven it much because it's actually broken. It's not that big of a problem, but it's pretty annoying. A very annoying problem. But as you guys can see, the window's down and it won't roll up. So I don't know what happened, but when we wrapped the car, we had to take apart the door panel to get to the mirror. But when we took apart the door panel, something must have happened with the window switches. Now they don't work, they won't roll up. The lock button works, so all this stuff works, as you guys can see, but the windows will not work. That door is all perfectly fine, that window works, that lock works, everything works on that side, but it's just this side. I called Nissan to see how much that part is to replace. Over $1,000 to replace that little freaking switch. I really don't want to spend that money, but I might have to because it's not working. I actually found this off Amazon. These are like literally almost identical switches. Almost exactly the same. They're for a Nissan as well, but I think it's for like a Nissan Frontier or something. I don't know. But it was 20 bucks. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. 20 bucks over $1,000 for the original GTR ones. It actually plugs in perfectly fine, except when we tried rolling up the window, it wouldn't roll up with the window switches. Instead, it rolled up with the lock button, which is the weirdest freaking thing. Anyways, something's really messed up here. We gotta fix it. Sam said to bring it to the shop at 412. Maybe he can try to mess with it and figure it out if he has both of these together. He said he'll probably try to open them up, see what he can do, and hopefully make it work. I don't know. Sam comes up with some crazy things, so he might be able to make it work. So yeah, hopefully we can stop at 412 today and fix that. And also, we got a front lip for the GTR. The only problem is, I don't know how I'm gonna transport the front lip to 412. It's a big ass lip, and the GTR front lips aren't just like a front like little thing hanging. It's actually like a whole under tray. So it's a big ass freaking lip. We're gonna attempt to put the front lip inside my GTR. Those seats don't even fold down, so yeah, I don't know if this is gonna fit. I'll show you guys how big the box is right now. Thought I wasn't gonna start. This thing also needs to get washed. It's so freaking dirty and dusty. Oh my gosh, it's freaking loud. Oh yeah, I'm not even on E85. I finally put 91 in it for a little bit. You are supposed to flush out the E85 once in a while. So the other day I decided to put some 91 in it, unfortunately. Slow boys right here. Yeah guys, I don't think this is gonna work. By the way, I am so scared to install this front lip. I thought the E92 lips were expensive until I seen the GTR front lips. I'll tell you guys how much this front lip is. It's from APR Performance. I don't know why I'm plugging them because I didn't get a discount. But this freaking front lip was $1,500. $1,500 for a front lip, carbon fiber. And if I break this front lip, I'm literally gonna cry. You guys know how many times I've broken an E92 lip. And that car's on bags. This car's not on bags, so I gotta be super careful. As you guys can see, this thing is not gonna fit in the GTR. There's no way, bro. Oh my god. You see, it has a whole under tray. So it's not just the front part, it's like all this under tray part.
Like the cool blue light.
Oh, you might have got it. Oh my god, I think I got it, guys. I think it fits. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait to put this on. It's gonna make the car look so much more aggressive, and I got more aggressive side skirts. Look at the E46, guys. Looking all good. I think that might be my favorite car that I have, guys. What about you? I've never asked this on the channel, honestly. What do you guys like the best? The GTR, the E92, the OG E92, or the E46? Like the GTR is the fast car, the racing car, the drift car, and then just like the show car on bags. Poor E92. Guys, 100% I'm ready to sell it, guys. So whoever really wants it, send me a real offer. I'm gonna say right here, I want like 27, okay? 27K or best offer. Whoever could throw me the best offer from there. But that's where I want to start it at. I just need to fix a couple more things. I actually need to take it to 412 as well, so they can fix everything, make it 100% perfect for the next owner. No way. No way, guys. Look what I ran into. Another GTR. And it's black. It would have been 20, bro. Damn, I do miss my car being all black, guys. All black GTRs just look so clean. That's so crazy. I never run into other GTRs, especially when I'm in my GTR. Like, this is probably one of the first times. Oh my god, dude, I love GTRs, bro. Damn, bro, that shit's crazy. guys, we made it. Look at this lineup. Supra, E92. But the GTR color is just crazy, bro. Made it to 412. Every time I come here now, it feels like I haven't been here forever. They got some crazy stuff here. This thing looks like a got into a little bit of an accident. Holy shit. They also do like collision repair and stuff. I haven't been here so long. It's so weird. Sam's drift car. Elmi Antonio Supra. Mark Supra. Bro, I don't know how I fit it in here. Let's open up this lip so you guys can finally see it. I haven't even got to see it. Dude, you can hear the turbo spool. Bro, imagine they sent me the wrong lip. Bro, if I break this, I'm gonna cry. It honestly reminds me of my M3 lip. How they have the holes right here, the vents. This shit looks crazy, dude. The stock one's just flat. This is the stock one, guys. It's just flat. There's not even like any holes, no vents. And it doesn't even stick out. Like it's literally flush with the car. Huh? It's changing again? More? Oh yeah, it's changing a lot of colors now. That's crazy. Every time we look under it, it changes more colors. That Valvetronic exhaust, bro. Oh. And just like that, stock one's off. This car probably looks ugly with no lip. Look at the difference, dude. That shit's gonna look way better, bro. Oh, I got a trunk too. Oh yeah, the carbon wing, yeah. You don't remember that? I know a lot of people don't notice because it was black. So you couldn't tell, but the wing was carbon the whole time. We made it to ABS Auto Body. It's actually where I get all my carbon fiber parts from, guys. Came to pick up the side skirts. Just waiting for the homie Kevin, but they always got dope E92s here. M4 with the GTS hood. That is one of the cleanest M4s I've seen. Shout out to the homies here at ABS because they got me the carbon fiber side skirts for my GTR. It's also where I get all my carbon fiber front lip for the E92. Carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber side splitters. They have all the carbon fiber pieces that you need. So I'm gonna leave the link right here. ABS Auto Body if you need any carbon fiber stuff, guys. Even for F80s, M4s, M3s. Look how sick that looks, guys. Dude, it does hang down a lot lower than the stock one. That shit is fat, bro. The front lip is on. And look at the fitment. Me and Charles are looking at the fitment right now. It's really freaking good. Maybe because it's an actual real lip and not a Chinese brand. This fitment is crazy, bro. Looks so freaking good. I know, that's what you pay for, huh? $1,500, bro. It better fit nice. And it's like a whole under tray, which is cool. Just like the OEM one. And then these are the side skirts. They look so freaking good. All carbon fiber. And as you guys can see, the stock ones are like flat. They're completely flat. And these actually have like a little bit of a, I don't know what that's called, bend. More aggressive aero. It's freaking crazy. This thing looks so sick, bro. I wanna be Nismo front end. So freaking nice, bro. I do not want to mess it up. Underneath, so nice too. It's all about to get scratched probably. Guys, how long until all this is scratched? How long until I break the lip? Comment down below. Hopefully not. Hopefully like I never break it, but. Alright, after like an hour trying to take off this door panel, I finally got the switch out. This is the original one. And this is the one I bought at Amazon. But Sam said leave them both off the car. I'm gonna leave these here for tomorrow so Sam could try to figure it out. Maybe he can try to make it work somehow. Tomorrow I'll probably come back, put the door panel back on, put the switch back on, and hopefully the window works. But today I'm gonna be driving like this. The gutted GTR. Alright guys, this is a stock one, all flat. We finally got the carbon one on. Look how much more aggressive it is, dude. That shit is crazy. Now it has that like little bit of a lip, just like the front lip. I feel like it all ties in together. I didn't want to put the lip on until I got the side skirts. I didn't want to put the side skirts on until I put the lip on. So I'm glad I'm doing everything at once because I feel like it all matches. Like it's kind of like a whole freaking carbon fiber body kit. All right, guys, and it's done. And look how different it looks. Oh my God, bro. It looks freaking crazy on the floor. Bro, that looks insane. I love how more aggressive the side skirts are. The lip just freaking makes the whole entire car. Now it looks like modified. Like before, it kind of looked too stock next to other GTRs. Now it looks so sick, dude. Damn, bro. This color looks sick at night. I think it looks better at night than in the daytime. Imagine I had both of them. By the way, if you guys have not seen this car, go check out 412's Instagram. I'll play a clip right here, but this thing spits insane flames. Joseph said it burned his eyebrows. Dude, it's so freaking sick. That's literally a car I've always wanted and I'm gonna buy in the future. Like, I want a Supra and need a Supra. Look at this E92, a red one. Reminds me of mine. But look at this plate, it's pretty funny. OnlyFans. I don't know how he got that. I'm telling you guys, I need to come up with a cool plate. Help me, please. Help me come up with a cool plate for the GTR. I want something funny. I don't even know what to put. So if you guys have any ideas, leave them in the comments down below. Because I have no idea. I'm not creative at all. Damn. Shit's so crazy, dude. You stalled?
Bro, my foot was all the way in the clutch.
Oh, I love E92s, how they sound. That's what I'm gonna miss if I sell the car. They just sound so mean. You don't expect that noise come out of a BMW. But yeah, guys, I'm freaking excited how this thing looks. I'm about to take it to the gas station so we can see under some light, but wow, bro, it looks so freaking good. Finally, some new mods to the GTR. I know I haven't done much in a while, but I've been waiting on that lit for like 2 months, dude. Oh my god, guys, look at this thing. Finally in some nice lighting so you guys can see the front lip and the side skirts, but holy crap, bro. Now the GTR is coming along. Dude, it literally looks like a whole completely different GTR now. New wrap, new lip, the wheels, the tires, the side skirts, all this carbon stuff. Hopefully tomorrow I can get it all washed, but damn, dude, even when it's dirty, the wheels aren't even clean. They got brake dust all over and it still looks clean. I freaking love it. I'm so hyped. I think it's time for a cool little cinematic video. Haven't done one of those in a while. From the side angle, this shit looks so mean, dude. Like, it looks like a mean ass GTR. Fast ass GTR. With these tires and all the aero, you would think this GTR makes like 1,000 horsepower. Especially if I do the trunk, this is gonna look crazy. Tell me what you guys think about the side skirts and the front lip. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I literally love my GTR so much right now. It's insane, bro. I can't even get over it. That lip is so sick. Comment down below, how long do you guys think until I break it? I'm gonna be driving like a grandpa right now. On every little speed bump, every little driveway, I'm gonna be driving so slow. And like always, shout out to 412 Motorsport and Charles for staying late all the time for me. But shout out to 412. If you guys need to install anything, carbon fiber, bolt-ons, whatever you need to install, they can do it. 412 Motorsport did all my full bolt-ons. They installed all my aero. And we're probably gonna install the trunk maybe next week or this week, so that's gonna be sick. But yeah, shout out to 412 Motorsport. We're gonna be coming here a lot more often probably because I have to come back tomorrow. And Sam and Joseph told me that we're actually doing a track day with the drift car, I think next week, so stay tuned for that vlog. That's gonna be sick. I ran into this random track hawk. I think this thing's fast. I think it's like 1,000 horsepower, if I remember. Bro, I didn't even get a good hit. Yeah, I think somebody told me, one of my homies in the track hog told me that track hog is like fully upgraded. It makes like 1,000 horsepower or something like that. The first one, he got the hit and I just kind of let off. But that one, I kind of got the hit, and I was ahead. So I don't know. Pretty sick little race. I've never raced a track hawk in my life. It goes to race again. These are the weirdest starts to a race, bro. Anyways, that was dope. I feel like I'd never run into anyone that's down the race, but that dude raced me like 5 times. I didn't even get the rest on camera. Anyways, hopefully today's vlog was cool. Hopefully it was long enough. Again, I'm trying to get back into the vlogs. I really need to get back into it. I know a lot of you guys noticed I've been slacking. I've been getting comments left and right like, what happened to the YouTube channel? Did you forget about YouTube? Post a video. So I'm sorry. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for a video every single day, and I appreciate that support so freaking much. So yes, I'm gonna try to start posting more often, start filming more often, and make some more content for you guys. So hopefully starting now, I'm gonna get back on the grind and start making a bunch of vlogs for you guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that.